Welcome to St. Joseph's College and welcome to the International Conference on Cancer and Genetics. Cancer is a large group of diseases that can start in almost any organ or any tissue of your body when a cell grows abnormally without any control and it invades the adjoining tissues and adjoining parts of your body. Cancer is neoplastic cancer cells or ones which have lost contact inhibition. Cancer is a disease of DNA. Cancer is always related to your genetics, but all types of cancer are not hereditary. Only about 15% of cancer types are hereditary. The remaining types are either familial or they may be sporadic. Cancer is the second largest killer globally. It kills about 10 million people annually. Every year, about 2 lakh people worldwide are diagnosed with lung cancer, of which 1.5 lakh people will die because of lung cancer. About 70 to 80% of lung cancer is directly related to cigarette smoking. Approximately 70% of the cancer deaths occur in low and middle income group countries. There are 5 major types of cancer. They are carcinoma, myeloma, lymphoma, leukemia and sarcoma. The economic impact of cancer is increasing every year. It is estimated in 2019 that the economic impact of cancer is approximately $3 trillion. About 50% of cancer patients can be treated, can be cured if they are diagnosed early and given a proper treatment. Hence, cancer education is the most important thing at present. A proper education about cancer is the need of the hour now. In order to provide education and information about cancer, St. Joseph's College, in association with Agarwal Hospitals, is organizing an international conference on 26th and 27th February 2021 in Bangalore. You're most welcome to St. Joseph's College and you are most welcome to attend the International Conference on Cancer and Genetics in Bangalore. Thank you very much.